And here's one of Townsend Torreson's new record breakers' reasons for choosing Townsend Torreson for your car holiday. All of which they promised. They say it's a fleet you can't beat.
This is ITV. Well, we would like to apologise that at this particular moment in time, we appear to be having a few teething technical troubles with tonight's edition of the show, which is why we have been unable to see ITV moment, and for which apparently we have seen him to be appearing in Knocked Him Off. So, in the meantime, until we sort out these teething technical problems, we'll leave you with some music.
did it!